74th Independence Day celebrations. Independence Day is the most important day and a blessed occasion. Due to the pandemic COVID-19, we have restricted our guests to the barest minimum. However, we are celebrating this day with grand gala and gaiety. Good news is that Russia became the first country in the world to find vaccine for COVID-19, and we all the Indians are optimistic that Bharat Biotech's Covaxin will soon make all of us pride. Independence Day is a day on which we got freedom from the British rulers after many years of hard struggle by our great freedom fighters. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August to remember the first day of independence of India, as well as remember the great freedom fighters who have sacrificed their lives in getting Independence Day for India. After independence, we got all the fundamental rights of our motherland. Every one of us should feel proud to be an Indian and praise our nation that we are born in this great democratic country. We cannot imagine by sitting here that how hard the independence was for India from the British. It took many sacrifices of freedom fighters and many decades of struggle right from 1857 to 1947. As you all know that Mangal Pandey, an Indian soldier in the British force, has first raised his voice against Britishers for the independence of India. We can never forget the sacrifices made by Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Chandrasekhar Azad, Balagangadhar Tilak, Vallabhbhai Patel, and many more who had lost their lives fighting for our independence. This is the time to remember the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhiji, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and other prominent leaders also. Now we are happy that our ancestors have given us freedom from British rule. Now India is a developed economy in the fields of science and technology, education, sports, banking and finance. Indians are going ahead by actively participating in the sports like Olympics, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. State Bank of India is also one of the best banks in the world going ahead in all development fields. Our prestigious State Bank of India, with employee strength of 2.57 lakhs globally, ranked 236 by Fortune 500. We are all proud to be employees of State Bank of India. On this occasion, on behalf of Local Implementation Committee, State Bank of India Local Head Office and Premises Units, I humbly request our Chief General Manager, Sri Om Prakash Mishra Sir, to accept the Guard of Honor and hoist the flag on this occasion of 74th Independence Day celebrations. Thank you. I request Mario Sir to escort our CGM Sir.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Friends, this is the time when we have to unlearn so many bad things or negative things. Na? I told in enclave also, 1 week back I got one invitation from some businessman for some reception. So normally, what we told earlier, this person has not invited very warmly, so he will not go. But this person wrote in the card and in the WhatsApp also, okay sir, please don't come. If you are not willing to come, and I'm sending you a link of this function, you can watch the function through that link. Otherwise, I'll also send you the recording of that link later on. Again, when somebody used to shake hand, used to tell this, there's no energy in shaking hand, they're very cold, but now we are telling not to shake hand. So all these things we have to learn due to this pandemic. Now it's a ground reality, and again, this rain god has also is telling us not to come in good numbers for this occasion or anywhere. So But despite all these things, the spirit and jazba for celebration of Independence Day is always there. We have to change our this process of celebration, but this spirit of celebration is fully present, 100% present in all our minds and hearts. So, first I salute all the people who are fighting on the borders and sacrificing their lives for the country. Then I also salute people, health workers, doctors who are also fighting in a more direct way. If you go to hospitals, you see many doctors and police personnel have lost their lives due to this pandemic. But the role of our people is also not less. I'm very pained to tell that approximately 600 persons, our staff, colleagues of this circle, are tested positive as on date, roughly 600. And we also lost around 4 to 5 lives of our colleagues. So we are really very pained, and I wish a happy recovery to the people who are positive. And again, I wish God gives a strength to all families who have lost their family members and their bread earners. But again, this loss and this positivity has again told us how to be more cautious on the ground level and how to avoid such risk, because unless we avoid risk in our total daily life, in branch life, any place, things will not improve. Friends, as my predecessor told, like our forefathers lost their lives for this independence. That time buzzword was sacrifice, Balidan for the country. But now Balidan is not needed. Now buzzword is how to save my life and save my country. So we have to save our lives also and save our country also, so that our country can become more prosperous. I only want to tell 2 things here. Like you all know, our people are fighting on the borders against some enemy countries. And we should support these people by not buying the goods being manufactured by those countries. Again, some people tell, how can you survive if you don't buy some medicines? I'm telling, please buy something which is necessary for your life or for your well-being. But don't buy such things which will not impact your safety or security, and you can easily dispense, okay, it's not there for my life, so I will not buy all these things. So first thing, because if you are buying something and giving some money to that country, finally they are using that money for killing my soldiers indirectly. So please, I request all of you to please try your maximum possible extent not to buy the things or any software being developed by those countries which are our enemies on the borders. And again, second thing I want to tell, if you see, India had many social reformers. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Jyotiba Phule, Baba Amte, many people were there who did lot of things for social reforms. But they never spread hatred. If you see their slogan, only focused for one thing, I don't want Sati Pratha, I don't want untouchability. But today, if you go, I think it's a very thick book. There is one book, Breaking India, by Mr. Malhotra and some or more person. It's a very thick book, but I have started writing how some people here also and out of country also, their only aim is how to break countries like India or some African countries, which are normally poor, but now they are progressing. So how to create some hatred, they will spread some fake news or some fake story or some very past stories, and their purpose is not any social reform. They don't want any reform. They only want how to keep these people always fragmented and divided. And if you go on social media today, you can see so many fake things, fake news, it looks like total real. Even some paper cutting of 70 or 80 or 90, it looks like total old paper, but it's totally fake. There is some app, I don't remember the name. You can create that app, you can write something, it looks like Times of India, old Times of India. So many things are coming on social media today. Please avoid spreading such things without, I know many of us, they don't know, they don't want to be a party of that year, but unwillingly they spread such negative news. So please avoid spreading such news. Only by doing, I think, 2-3 things, we can't fight on the border, but we can do all these things, because again, as a banker, we are doing everything. We are doing a great job by giving uninterrupted banking services to people on the ground level and making India self-reliant, making poor people how to survive, though they are not earning due to COVID. So we are doing everything, but as a citizen also we have some role in how to protect our country against such new enemies. They are not real enemies with guns and pistols and revolvers, but they want to wash your mind. They want to wash your thought process. So how to be safe from these enemies? As I told, our colleagues are doing a lot of things on the ground level, and this is the best national service which a banker can do in this time. But they have to do all these things with proper precaution, proper care, and proper EA. They are doing everything. I'm telling each and everything. Daily we discuss all CDO and GMs, what more we can do to ensure that people feel protected. And again, because it's a pandemic, so nobody can tell after 1 hour will be positive. So if somebody is positive, how to give the best treatment or isolation facility to that staff is our always thought process, so that loss is minimal and we can give without thinking about money. We should do each and everything possible to be done by the bank. At bank level also, if you see, many companies are cutting many things, allowances, but bank has not even thought of cutting anything. Please go slow on this 4-in-1 or some allowance, something. Every day they want, again, many companies, they are not cutting salaries, but they are not recruiting new people so that to do more work with same salary. But again, bank is again coming with new persons also. Telangana, there is a fresh recruitment of 550 persons from other banks so that our people get some relief due to staff shortage. So directly we are doing all possible things to help our people. And again, not only our people, for the state also. If you see at Warangal, Nalgonda and Hyderabad, in all hospitals, we have provided these ventilators, PPE kits, all such things. So all together we have to fight this, and again I'm telling you, please don't be pessimistic. When this, in the month of March and April, everybody was cursing, how can we get PPE kits, all such things, because India is a very poor country. I know today India is exporting huge number of PPE kits and this N5 mask to the many countries of the world. So please believe in India's power. India is a country which always works in crisis. So this crisis is there, I think. After crisis will emerge more strong and more happy and more healthy. I have some important guests here. One of my staff son who has qualified civil service this year, and there are many staff, talented staff here who are the sons and daughters of our staff only. And again, we have 3 to 4 more such staff who are positive. Now they are all right, but they have donated their plasma for treatment of our other positive staff. So I will request all of you to give a huge applause to all such persons, because they are the real persons who are doing something for the bank, for the country. In the end, I will again wish you all the best on this, the occasion of 74th Independence Day, to become happy, healthy, prosperous in the days to come. Thank you, all the best.
Thank you, sir. On this happy occasion, some of our staff members going to sing patriotic songs. Before that, I request our Assistant General Manager of CPPC, Sri CHV Subramanian Garu. It is his birthday today. Also, I request DGM Vigilance, Mohanty sir. Yeah, please come, sir. Coincidentally, board birthdays, I request CGM sir to hand over. Now we have to celebrate one more birthday. I request CGM sir to celebrate. Sri Shesh Kumar Garu, Deputy General Manager, FAMM. I request sir, please come over here. I also request once again Subramanian sir and Mohanty sir to receive the greeting cards. Thank you, CGM sir. We are very proud that one of the State Bank family members' son, Mr. M.V. Satyasai Karthik, son of Sri M.S. Srinivas, Special Associate, working in our PBB Amberpet Road branch, who got 103 rank in the All India Civil Services Examination 2019. On this happiest moment, I request our CGM Om Prakash Mishra sir to felicitate Mr. Karthik. I request Mr. Karthik and Mr. Srinivas Garu, please come over here. And I also request CGM sir, please come over here, sir. Mr. Karthik studied in All Saints High School and intermediate in Little Flower Junior College, and he did his engineering in Gogaraju Gangaraju University of College and Technology, Hyderabad. He has also represented in cricket under 13 years, under 15 years and under 19 years categories. He was the captain for Inter-Universities Cricket Championships. He also did his captaincy for Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. I request CGM sir to honor Mr. Karthik with a shawl, memento and a gift. I request the general manager sirs, please come out here, a group photograph, sir. All the general manager. Karthik sir, please, for a group photo. Please join, sir. I request all the photo. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request Mr. Karthik to share his success in the civil service examination.
To all the esteemed dignitaries of State Bank of India, the staff and the SBI family, a very good morning and happy Independence Day. A little about myself, I am MB Satyasai Karthik. I have secured All India rank 103 in Civil Services Examination 2019. I have been a computer science graduate, graduated in 2014. I have done my schooling and graduation in Hyderabad itself. I come from a slightly unconventional background. I have been a professional cricket player right from my childhood, and then in 2015 I had taken a shift towards civil services exam preparation. And since 5 years I have been into this, and ultimately in my 4th attempt I have secured this rank. So today and it has been a little difficult journey for me. As you all know, the UPSC exam pattern is a very long process. So it is ultimately because of my father, M.A. Srinivas, who happens to be the State Bank of India staff. He works for the Amberpet branch. My mother, Prabhavati, and my sister, Hansika, with all their guidance, with all their support throughout, and all the teachers who have been part of this journey, I ultimately could achieve this. So it is an immense honor to be part of the 74th Independence Day celebrations here at the State Bank of India. And this, no other time I feel is more opportune to remember the great sacrifices of our forefathers and the freedom fighters, and also respect the contributions of each and every citizen of our country who is contributing for the development. So for me, especially, this is just the beginning. How the responsibility that I have to shoulder now is very high, and how I take up that responsibility and fulfill it to the best of my abilities is very important thing, and I would strive to ensure that happens. So for each and everyone today, I mean, let us all strive for making India a superpower, to make ourselves more self-reliant and ensure sustainable and inclusive development. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Karthik. Now, felicitation to the children of staff who excel in academics and sports. It's my privilege to invite Kumari K. Satvika, daughter of Srimati K. Nagendrama, Deputy Manager, Hyderabad Main Branch. Satvika, please come over here. Madam, you are also, please. Kumari Satvika got first prize in the national level essay competition on the topic Agricultural Waste to Wealth, conducted by Government of India on the occasion of 150th birthday anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. For that, she was awarded with a cash prize of rupees 30,000 from the Central Cabinet Minister Sri Radha Mohan Singh in New Delhi. Kumari Satvika also secured Telangana State first rank in Junior Intermediate and 5th rank in Senior Intermediate with a score of 988 marks out of 1000. I request our CGM sir to honor Kumari Satvika. Now I request Mr. Tejas Purohit, son of Sri Vishal Dev, Service Manager, SME Branch, who has excelled in the basketball, KVS regional finals, and national runners-up in the 50th Kendriya Vidyalaya Schools National Sports Meet held in 2019. I request CM sir to honor. Now I request Mr. Mohul Bhaumik, son of Probir Bhaumik, Deputy Manager, DGM Secretariat AO Hyderabad, who has represented Hyderabad in under 16 years and also in under 23 years BCCI Colonel C.K. Naidu Trophy 2019-20. He has also represented the Usmania University cricket team in the South Zone for consecutive 3 years, right from 2017 to 2020. I request CM sir to honor. I request Kumari Satvika, Mr. Tejas and Mr. Mohul to join for a group photograph along with our CGM sir. I also request the General Manager sirs, please come over once here sir for a group photograph. Please join. Thank you Kumari Satvika, Mr. Tejas, Mr. Mohul and their parents. I am very sad that some of our employees have lost their lives due to corona pandemic. Some staff are affected with corona positive and recovered. Few of them have donated plasma to the needy corona patients for their recovery. They are the real heroes of State Bank of India. A good round of applause. We are very proud of them. I request our CGM sir to honor them. It is my privilege to call upon the stage Sri I. Srinivas Rao, AGM and COO Commercial Branch to accept the felicitation. Avinash, Deputy Manager, DGM Secretariat AO Hyderabad. So please come on the stage, sir. Yes, sir. It's DGM Secretariat, sir. AO Hyderabad. Now I request Sri J.G. Rangavara Prasad, Manager, SMECC, Secunderabad. Okay. On behalf of J.G. Rangavara Prasad, sir, I request Naveen, sir, please accept the gift and shawl. Please hand over to Sri Rangavara Prasad Garu. I request all the heroes, Srinivas Rao Garu, Avinash Garu and Naveen Garu to join for a group photograph with our CGM sir. And I once again request the General Manager sir, please join. I also request Surendranath Garu. Yeah, please come onto the stage, sir. Thank you, sir. I request our CGM sir to present gifts to the singers Srimati K. Yamini and Sri Kiran Garu. Thank you, CGM sir and all the dignitaries. Now I request our Chief General Manager sir to accord permission for God's Visarjan, and I request other dignitaries and invitees to occupy their seat till the Visarjan, sir. I request Mr. Mario sir, please escort our CGM sir for the God's Visarjan. I request the CMC members and Union General Secretary and Association General Secretary, Seva General Secretary, please come onto the dais for a group photograph along with our CGM sir. All the CMC members, General Secretaries of both Union and Association and also Seva. I also request CDO sir, please join for a group photograph. I also request the gods for a photograph. I request our CGM sir. I request all the gods. थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाइए. Thank you, sir, and all the gods. I thank each and every one of you for attending this Independence Day celebrations and made a grand success. Thank you one and all.